All right, guys, we have come to the Groves. Is it the Groves or the Grove, Eric?
Grove.
Oh, the Grove. Just one Grove, he says.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
And we are out here walking around looking for a place to eat, of course. A lot of people out. We got a little trolley going on here, taking people around. We were going to do City Walk again, but Eric said, let's go to the Grove and check it out. Someplace new. And Michael McDonald's playing all over the place. And I'm probably going to get nabbed by minute. Just like a big outdoor shopping mall, basically, with eateries, probably a movie theater and stuff like that. Here's the trolley. Got a trolley here, and they are just going on the trolley ride, doing a trolley ride. This old truck, pretty cool. Little doggy. El Granjero Cantina. Granjero, correction.
Granjero is the farm.
The farm
The
cantina.
farmer. The farmer.
The farmer cantina. And here's the farmer's market.
See?
There's the farmer's market. They have music on Thursday nights. Ooh, some pit barbecue sounds good. I haven't had any good barbecue in a while. Alright. Looks good, smells good. I see that. Little bit of everything here.
Now you just kind of pick what you like and you go get it. It's a food court. Big fancy food court.
Yeah, it is.
Really good Philly cheesesteaks if you want a good Philly.
Oh, they got Philly cheesesteaks over here?
Yeah, Phil's Deli, Philly's.
Ah,
Around
looks
the
good.
corner, they've got like little empanadas and they got sushi.
Wow, got everything. Little tacos. Taco spot. Ooh, Don Bananas bread. You want your banana bread, here's where you go. Brazilian home cooking and barbecue here. They got a big line. That looks good. Churrasco. Smell some good coffee somewhere. Craft coffee, that's what I smell. That stuff smells great. A little veggie stand here. All the dried fruits. Pardon me. Look at all the dried fruits, man. Check that out.
Ooh, that ginger looks good.
Oh yeah, pickled ginger.
That's glazed like sugar.
Oh, candied ginger. Oh yeah. Some
All candy.
candied apricots, pears, peaches.
That's good.
I'm tempted.
This looks like Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka, the healthy version. fruits instead of
The
pure
oranges look like
candy.
the big lollipops that were sitting on the grassy knoll.
And the red cherries look like snozberries, and the snozberries look like red cherries. And then you got all the trail mixes.
Sad fruit.
Nice. Pretty cool. All right. Yeah, so many choices. Here's some more. Oh, this is candy over this side. This is the candy side. Nuts and candy. Like I need any of this. Wow.
There's all those same fruits covered in
Milk chocolate honeycomb.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it does. Dark chocolate honeycomb. Nothing like a chunk of honeycomb dipped in chocolate.
Oh, you mean to spit this wax out?
No, just to eat it. All right. Well, I lost track of our group. Oh, they're behind us. I thought I lost you somewhere.
No, papi.
I was looking at all the candy. They have dark chocolate and milk chocolate honeycomb dipped. I almost have to try a piece of that just to say I did.
Niño, you like those?
Oh, I've eaten plenty of belts.
Sour belts.
Yeah, they sell those.
Those are great.
I remember when you were little, you used to eat a lot of them.
Yeah, those are good. Nothing like a sour candy.
They have a tamarindo with chamoy.
I bet. Tamarindo with chamoy. Nothing like a good chamoy. Nothing like a good chamoy to start your day or end your day. Oh yeah. Here's what I like. Out of all the things, I like Boston baked beans, and I like these burnt peanuts. I don't know why. Those are my two things that I like the most.
And look, you can't escape them. It's Trejo's tacos.
Trejos is over here too.
Gummy sharks.
Oh, gummies. These are all the gummies. Yeah, licorice, you name it. You like the chocolates here? All these chocolate nuts.
All these, I like everything.
Well, I would try the chocolate dipped honey before I did anything. Just because I've never heard of it, seen it, or even dreamed of it. I will do
I would
it.
like to have crepe. Oye, Michelle, lo
You want a crepe?
crepas.
All right, let's have crepes. Crepes it is.
I want some.
I want barbecue. They have a barbecue place I'm kind of looking at. Yeah, I'm thinking barbecue myself. What do you think?
That's what you want? Great.
You don't want good barbecue?
No, let her get it. That's the fun of everything being everywhere. Let her have
Yeah, eat whatever you want. She'll probably eat barbecue too.
I'm looking at you.
I'll have a crepe first and then barbecue second. Let's see what's down this direction here. I saw some barbecue earlier. I might partake in.
This place also is empanadas place.
Empanadas.
Full of different kinds of pockets, all filled with different things. And some of them are really good.
All right. Let's see what they got.
They've got Cuban sandwich ones filled with Cuban stuff. Pork,
Oh,
ham,
nice.
mustard, ranch, mozzarella. We got carnitas, Filipino chicken, jalapeno chicken.
That's strange.
Baked breakfast, bacon and eggs, pepperoni, kind of like a pizza one.
Pepperoni one.
Then they got dessert ones, dulce de leche.
I see that. Guava, apple. Nice.
Macaroni and cheese.
You want to try some of these?
I'm just letting you know, they have options.
All right.
Samosas, cheeseburger. I've had these. I know these are good.
No, they're good.
Yeah, I've never actually had the barbecue place. I just know it's always busy.
All right, let's go this way and see what else there is.
Crab cakes, oysters.
Ah. If I brought back some oysters, Kathy would be very upset because she loves them.
Lobsters, fish tacos, fish and chips.
Crab cakes, got it all. Let's see what else is down here. Pizza spots, you name it, guys. This place has it all.
Pizzerias, meat shop.
Yeah.
Of course, the back is barbecue here.
Well, I'm gonna get some barbecue.
All right,
Let's do it. You want
yeah, that's fine.
get a barbecue or sandwich, pulled pork sandwich, something good. Brian's Pit Barbecue. There's some Chinese food over here too. China Depot over there on the right too. Then there's a No Better Chicken. Looks like they got a Nashville chicken sandwich too.
Fritzy too.
Oh yeah, those are some good looking things up here. Look at that, the Stinger. That's a massive chicken sandwich there. That's massive. Those look good. I'm gonna get the Junior. All right, let's see what they got in the barbecue window over here. They got ribs, brisket, chicken. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, the barbecue's coming. Check it out. Thank you. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. How's the crepes over here? All gone? Took us a while. So here's my mac and cheese and my barbecue pork. Now we do our pork sandwiches at Poppy's a little different. I put coleslaw on the sandwich, on the bottom, barbecue on top, and then I got pickles. I add pickles to it.
This one looks a little bit dry.
Oh, it does look a little dry, doesn't it? Wonder if I should put a little crepe on there.
Let me try. Let me taste it.
You try. Let me know how good it is or bad it is.
It's too yellow, right?
It should be yellow. It's cheesy. Did you smell it first? Should have smelled it first.
Usually I do that.
You should have gave it a sniff test first. Acceptable or no?
Mm-hmm. Right.
All right. All right. This is the milk chocolate honeycomb challenge. I had to do it. So we got this milk chocolate covered honeycomb. Eric, you want to do the honors?
You can do it.
You take the first bite. We're all going to try. All right, I'll
Take your
try.
bite. I got you right on the corner. No paper. Oh, crispier than I imagined. Oh, that's way more dry than I thought it was going to be.
Wait a minute. Stop the music. It's nothing like I thought it was going to be.
What do you mean?
It's dry.
It's crunchy.
So I thought it was
It's a
going to be
piece
wet.
of candy inside. I thought it was like a real honeycomb.
It is, but it's freeze-dried honeycomb. is
I
what
know.
that
I thought it
is.
was going to be just like
So,
a real piece
all right,
of honeycomb.
Let me
It's good, but not what I expected.
I think I need some water, right?
Okay, so that is freeze-dried, like they do it for ice cream. Mixed bait, like astronaut food. It's freeze-dried honeycomb. It is real honeycomb. It tastes like Golden Grams, the cereal,
Yeah.
covered
I'm still
in chocolate.
chewing it. It won't go away.
Kathy,
Your turn. Oh, but take a
take
bigger
a bite.
bite.
You gotta take a bite.
What can you say? It's good.
It is good.
Yeah, it's good.
We thought it was going to be wet honeycomb, not freeze-dried. So
Yeah.
it's different than we thought, but it is really good.
Yeah, the way it's sold here, it says honeycomb.
It is a honeycomb, Dad.
It says honeycomb.
You're sad that it's not goopy, but it is a honeycomb. It's just freeze-dried. It's
Yeah.
just been put in a dehydrator.
I thought it was something different, but it's good. I'm done though. It's all you.
Hard. Be
It's
careful.
all you. Yeah, you can break a
Right
tooth.
here.
Break a tooth on that.